Hello, I'm your AI assistant. Today I'll show you how to search for clinical trials on the Khur platform. Let's begin the search. On Khur's trials page, you can find global clinical studies related to your illness by typing the name of your condition into the search bar and clicking the search button. For a more detailed search, you can expand the filter bar at the top. The filter bar allows you to narrow down your search in several ways, such as study options. You can filter the studies based on whether they are treating, observational, expanded access, etc. Recruitment status. This allows you to filter by recruiting, not yet recruiting, or invitation-only recruiting status. Gender and age. Here, you can filter studies based on your gender and age. Location. If left blank, Khur will show results from around the world. If you select your country, it will find studies available in your country. You can also narrow down further by selecting states or cities within your country, allowing you to find studies closer to your location. Let's try to search for treatment-focused clinical trials for Parkinson's disease in the United States. Now, the trials related to Parkinson's disease are listed. You can see a quick summary of each trial. For more details about a trial, click on the Details button to navigate to the trial page. You can read the brief information about the trial, find contact details, and see the list of sites. If you think this trial can be beneficial for your situation, you can contact the authorities via phone or email. See you in the next tutorial. Have a great day.